How to get Cash App card under 18 without parent. So if you want to get a Cash App card under 18 without a parent, then just follow the steps. First, open up your Cash App on your mobile device and then tap on the card icon, which will be on the bottom left. From here, tap on Get Free Cash Card. Once you're on this page, choose your preferred card style. And if you want to redesign your card, simply tap on Personalize. Here you can add your signature, emojis, and even enable or disable your cash tag. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap on Done and then click on the Order card, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Next, enter your shipping details, address, and tap on Next. Then click on Use Anyway. Now it'll ask you to enter in your legal name, then hit the Enter or Next. Add your date of birth and hit the Next again. To use a Cash App card, your age should be 13 years or above. Once you hit Next, it'll take you to the page. Simply tap on Request Approval. Now it'll ask you to enter in your parent details. But if your parents don't use Cash App or whatever the reason you can't get approval, what you can do is instead of using your parents' details, you can enter in the details of your elder sibling or cousin or anyone you trust who is above 18. For anyone to authorize the use of Cash App for you, they must have a registered and verified Cash App account. Then tap on Send in the top right corner, and once you're done with it, you will be taken to this Waiting for Approval page. You just need to simply close it. The Cash App will require the parent or guardian to confirm the details and authorize your request. After which, the processing of the Cash Card will start, and you will have your card within 2 weeks. Once approved by your parent or guardian, you will be able to make direct cash deposits, send, receive, and request funds. Add up to $7,500 to your cash balance every 30 days. So that's how you can get a Cash App card under 18 without parent. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.